Welcome back to the basics of digital audio signal processing and machine learning for audio using programming languages, this time with Python. This is our first tutorial where we go through the code. So we went really superficially and from a high level perspective just to understand what this code is about without getting into the details. Then we've seen in the DSP theory, the DSP theory that is involved in this code here. And now we will go step by step, line by line, talking about what the code is doing and what are the Python semantics, Python functions, data structures that we are using.